Welcome to WP Today I wanted to show you how to add Google login in WordPress. I will show you two ways: Next Social login and another one Woodmart theme. First, you should follow their documentation. It will be easy for you. I will click the link. You will get the link in video description. Now I will click on here and create new project. I will write my project name WP Sale 2 app. Then I will need to wait some time. Then I must be check here. Just I will click here WP Sale app 2. After going to here, I need to click auth consent screen. I will click here. Just wait. I will click auth consent screen. Then I will check the external and create this one. And I'll write here WP Sale app. And you may add your mail here. This is logo. You may add, this is homepage of my website. This is another one, the privacy policy, term and condition. Just I'll write here as a demo. Then authorized domain name. Authorized domain name, I will write my domain name here. You will remove the HTTPS from here. The developer mail, I'll write my mail. Then save and continue. Then I will write save and continue, and we'll do save and back to dashboard. Okay, then now I will click here create credential. After clicking here create credential, I need to click auth client ID. Then I will select from here web application and authentication web. This is my URL. Okay, and I will add here authorized URL. It's very important to know you. I will click settings and Nextend social login. After going to here, I'll get started. You can see your redirect URL here. This is here my redirect URL from the plugin. As this one is Woodmart callback option. I will copy this one. For Woodmart theme, you need to must be install WooCommerce plugin. I had not installed WooCommerce plugin. For that reason does not showing this one. I will copy the callback URL and you will go here and paste it here and create this one, and to wait some time to see this one. Okay, it's working perfectly. Then I need to copy this one from here. I will paste it on here and paste this one here, secret ID, and save it, and it will be work perfectly in my site. And if you click, I am done setting my Google Map app settings here, and I'll write here. I'll paste this one here and here. If you use the plugin and save, if you use the plugin redirect URL, then it will be work, otherwise it won't be. I have used redirect URL of Woodmart, this one. Okay, I think you understand the different how